Our Toro Timecutter ss5000 won't move, it's like it is frozen. It does start, we replace the belt and the blades turn, but the mower won't go back or forward and the wheels don't turn. We've pulled out and pushed in the 2 rods in the back.
How old is your Toro lawn mower? When did you last change the oil?
8 to 10 years. Oil changed last summer.
How long has this been going on with your Toro lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
The mower sat all winter.outside in Minnesota. I know. Dumb. We couldn't get it to move this spring. We have replaced the belt hoping that was it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Well, one odd thing is that when we started it doesn't turn off right away but just keeps running, and with monkeying with the switch it eventually turns off. That's all I can think of.
Hello. Thank you for choosing JustAnswer. My name is. Will be happy to assist you. You will notice an automated offer for a phone call. Please keep in mind that this offer is only optional and is not always needed. If you prefer to chat, rather than talk on the phone, please disregard this phone call offer. Thanks. Double-check the belt that drives the pulleys on your 2 transaxles. If this belt is not tight enough, your mower will not move after you attempt to drive it. Keep in mind that your mower has 2 belts. One belt drives your 2 transaxles, and your other belt drives your deck spindles. Also, turn your ignition switch to the on position, then move your control arms to the drive position. Listen to hear if you hear your parking brakes releasing. This will tell us if your brakes are at fault. You and I can continue from here. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.